Iba talaga ang 8 cents. Mura na. Kalidad pa. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara, mag 8 cents na rin kayo.
Have you tried 8 cents? Oh, yes. I love it. It smells like luxury, but it's totally affordable. I actually get compliments every time I wear it. What can you say about 8 cents perfume?
It's long lasting, high quality, and affordable. I use it every day.
Ano masasabi mo sa pabangong 8 cents?
Ibang klase ang 8 cents inspired scents. Maganda ang kalidad, mura na, sobrang tagal pa mawala ang amoy.